Hey y'all, welcome back to Live Free, Live Wild. Out here at the campground. Me and a buddy came out here to stay for the weekend and found something that's gonna be pretty good for lunch. So let me show you what I found. This is actually right at my campground, like right at my campsite. Drum roll, please. Bam! Look at that. Huge. That's what you call sheepshead or hen of the woods. It's like $28 for like 4 ounces of it if you buy it online. There's another one over here. It's not looking too hot, but we might go ahead and cook that one up too. Definitely cooking this one up. And do not go out and find wild mushrooms based off of what I say. Do your research. Never go off of a YouTuber's word on wild edibles. Always look it up and find out what's good. You don't want to eat something and die. And if you can, get a class from somebody in your local area that knows the wild edibles in your area. So you can actually go in different parts of the country and something that somebody says, yeah, this is edible. It might look the same as something in your area, but yet it's poisonous. So always get trained. Don't just go out eating random stuff. We'll come back when I'm cooking it up. Y'all, check this out. This is one mushroom. Are you kidding me right now? One mushroom? Unbelievable. Garlic and herb. Cooking stick. Now, I've never had these before. My buddy over at Davidson's Natural Gym, look him up on YouTube. Good dude. He told me about them. He said they're really good. He said if you like morel mushrooms, you'll like these. So I'm gonna give them a shot, see what happens. Saute these dudes up and see what happens. Let's try it. Let's see if it's any good. Smells good. Oh wow. It's a little gritty. These are hard to clean. I probably lost a quarter of it just because I got tired of trying to get all the dirt off of it. So I cut a bunch of it off, just tossed it. But I mean, you've seen how big the bag is. One mushroom fills up a whole grocery bag. Hot. That's good. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. I'm gonna keep an eye out for these. Like I said, this is my first time ever having it. I seen it, and I was like, I know what that is. So, called my buddy and was like, yeah, I found one. What do I do? So he told me how to do it. Shout out to you. You were right. Very good. Oh yeah. I'm gonna saute up a big chunk and put it on my steak tonight. I'm gonna deep fry a batch of them. It was very good. Well worth the effort of cleaning it. Next time I'll try a little harder and not waste so much of it. Yeah, if you like morel mushrooms, you'll like these. I don't like mushrooms at all, except for morels, and now these. Yeah. And these are really easy to find. If you see a white oak tree, you go to it and you look around the base of it. If there's none there, you go to the next white oak and look around it. This is what my buddy over at Davidson's Natural Gem, he's the one that told me about it. He's like, this is how you find them. They're really good. Try them. So, I agree. Yeah, go check him out on YouTube. He does sawmilling. He's pretty knowledgeable about the, wood and sawmilling and all that. I think he's got a few other things on there. Yeah, go check him out. Subscribe to him. He's a good guy. He's the one that lets me use his land to film on. Yeah, you guys got to look for these. Sheephead. Hen of the woods, sheephead. Oh yeah. You find one, and you've got 4 meals in one mushroom. It's amazing. Very good. Alright. I'm gonna finish eating. I'll holler at y'all later. Remember, live free, live wild. Hit the like button, comment. What's your favorite mushroom? I'll talk to y'all later.